4 simple steps to earn money online even while you are sleeping. The rumored iPhone 14 is sending everyone into a frenzy. For some of us who are still short of the rumored $999 price tag, this guide will be presenting you your fastest way to earn money for that amount and pre-order the iPhone 14 you've been eyeing. In fact, even celebrities and social media influencers are doing this to bump up their daily salary. That's right. This earning money technique can generate you money every day and even while you are sleeping. Let's admit it, our sole day jobs are not enough to buy us the lifestyle we want or a little bit of luxury we deserve to have. Living from paycheck to paycheck is not even enough for some of our bills. Yet, here we are, draining ourselves with our 8 to 5 day jobs. Squeezing a second job does not seem possible, but an online passive income like this, without doing hourly work and draining your energy, is 100% available to everyone. Think about it. Billions of people are on the internet making purchases, searching for the right product for their home, selling something, and offering services. But some genius has found a way to meet these types of people, the buyer and the merchant. And this is where you come in. This income stream will only need a laptop and an internet connection to begin with. Let us present to you the beginner's quick guide on affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? It's a commission-based marketing of another company or person's product and or services. The concept behind the system is simple. The affiliate promotes the product of another person or company and encourages the audience or consumer to make a purchase through his or her affiliate link. Once the consumer clicks on the link and buys the product, the affiliate earns a percentage from the sales. Simple, right? Companies and sellers are utilizing this type of marketing for more brand visibility to their target consumers with the help of the affiliates who will connect to them, of course. On the other hand, affiliates can earn money even while they are not using their phones as long as someone clicks on their links they posted anywhere on the web. In fact, you might have noticed this in your favorite social media influencer's Instagram story. They post a picture holding a product and below it has a click here to shop button containing their link. Once you make a purchase through that given link, they earn a certain commission from the company of the product they are promoting. So, how do I get started? Here are the 4 simple steps that even 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. working professionals and students of any age can do to make this work. Step 1. Decide how you will get people to click on your link. Your own Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any social media will do. If you want to go bigger, build a website using free site builders on the internet. Reddit is also a great choice. This is where you will post your affiliate link for people to see. Step 2. Find a good affiliate program. ClickBank and Amazon's affiliate program are 2 of the best starting programs for beginners. You can also try Shopify, ShareASale, Rakuten Advertising, eBay, Fiverr, Lazada, and a lot more. Just click on their affiliate program on their website, sign up, and wait for their approval. Step 3. Generate your affiliate link. Search for products that you would like to promote from the list of products on your chosen affiliate program. Then, generate your affiliate link for this product you've chosen, and any product works. Step 4. Post your link. Now, it's time to post your affiliate link to your social media accounts and or website for people to see. It's time to get creative. Some affiliate marketers post their links to forums, Facebook groups, and even YouTube to find interested consumers. Then, you can sit back and relax. Once people make a sale on your link, commissions will be automatically credited to your account. To give you more motivation, here's world's famous affiliate marketer, Pat Flynn. He was laid off from his architecture position in 2008 before he started his affiliate marketing business using the website he created. He has since earned at least $3 million in revenue from affiliate sales. he never had any idea that he would earn this much money when he started. But here's a little secret. If you want to automate this and maximize your affiliate revenue, you definitely have to try the software guaranteed to make you money through affiliate marketing with little effort. Perpetual Income 365 is a beginner-friendly affiliate marketing program complete with a step-by-step guide, a free website hosting domain, and dedicated customer service to assist you all throughout. This is certainly worth the try. The program will do 91% of the work for you, and the best part is, you don't have to learn anything about building websites, coding language, and programming techniques to make the software work and generate money even while you are asleep. First things first, head to the description box below and get this life-changing software you won't ever regret having. Thousands of people around the globe have attested to this program's 100% success rate. Here's our tutorial to guide you on your journey to this software. So what else are you waiting for? Grab this opportunity and start making money to fund that iPhone 14 and all the travel plans you have for the next half of the year. Head over to the description box to get started today.
Yeah, so I just joined, I'm in my first month, or just finished my first month, and have actually made my first money online ever. Well, after 2 years of fiddling around, and so the reason I think I've done that is because of the way this is so automated. In terms of having the autoresponder linked in, automatic, I'm very, very happy with it. I also think it's a product that I won't sell something unless I feel like
you got to be proud of it, right? Yeah.
And this is the first one. I genuinely think it's good for people to do, and I'm starting to. So I think I've had 11 sales in the first 9 in the first month, and I've had 2 since just in the last day or 2.
Wow.
And I think it's got good potential. But again, I'm new, so we'll see. So far, I'm delighted. I just couldn't stand behind something if it wasn't good. I just wouldn't sell it. And to be honest, there's so much junk on all of these different, you look at Warrior Price, you look at JVZoo, there's so much absolute crap there that I just couldn't sell it personally. Because if I do something, I want to help someone with it, help myself, but also help others. And I think so far this is looking good.
My name is Karine. And I work as a municipal library clerk, and I am from Canada. So the reason why I decided to purchase Shawn's program, to opt into Shawn's program, it's because with the worldwide pandemic, I have been temporarily laid off from my job for several months now. And even before then, I wanted something that an unlimited income, something that it didn't have a limit on how much I could earn. And to really, I really for years and years wanted to have time freedom, location freedom. So hopefully you see, this is, it's $624.34, and I am positively blown away because this is just the beginning. I have other things working on the back end that I've yet to pen out as well. And I just started, and I'm certainly not an expert. My first affiliate marketing experience, I had barely started as well, and it was far more complicated than this. This is truly, you get explanations every step of the way, and you get really fast to the results.